Tomatoes were originally cultivated by the Aztecs in Mexico for consumption, and from there, in the early 16th century, the plant was brought to Spain, then to Italy, North Africa, and the Middle East, and by the end of the 16th century, tomatoes reached Europe. The name of the plant, tomato, is borrowed from the Aztec word meaning large berry. Later Italians gave it another name, which translates as golden apple. There is a great variety of colors, shapes, and sizes of tomatoes. They can be tiny or as large as a fist. Benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes are considered a versatile food for the human body due to their balanced composition. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, but low in carbohydrates. So specialists recommend tomatoes in many diets and as part of a healthy diet. Tomatoes contain vitamins A, C, and K, as well as B vitamins, folic acid, and thiamine. One fruit can provide about 40% of the daily requirement of vitamin C. Additionally, tomatoes are a rich source of microelements such as iron, potassium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from free radicals, thus preventing the development of cancer. Incidentally, the red color of tomatoes is attributed to lycopene. Research by scientists confirms the excellent effect of lycopene in cataracts and retinal dystrophy. These are conditions in which nerve cells in the retina of the eye die. Consuming several tomatoes a day can provide the necessary dose of lycopene. It's better to prefer red tomatoes, as they contain more of this substance. It's also good to consume these fruits after heat treatment. In this case, lycopene not only remains intact, but is even better absorbed by the body. Organic acids and fiber in tomatoes have a positive effect on the gastrointestinal tract, promote the production of enzymes, and rid the human body of stagnant bile. Fiber corrects cholesterol levels, maintains optimal intestinal microflora, and helps fight inflammation. Potassium, which is abundant in tomatoes, has a positive effect on heart function. Potassium also participates in fat metabolism, is responsible for the health of the nervous system and muscles. Vitamin A helps cell growth, strengthens the immune system, and is essential for the eyes, protecting them from fatigue and age-related changes. It is also necessary for the growth of new cells and protein synthesis. Phosphorus in tomatoes acts as an excellent regulator of metabolism in the body. This microelement is involved in bone formation, nerve impulse transmission, and the absorption of vitamins. Magnesium has a beneficial effect on bone growth, heart function, and the nervous system. It helps lower blood sugar levels and eliminates cramps. Calcium is vital for our bones and teeth, plays a major role in regulating blood pressure and blood clotting. Zinc, found in tomatoes, is needed for hair growth and wound healing, while many essential processes in our body are impossible without iron. Tomatoes are excellent antidepressants as they contain serotonin, the happiness hormone, and they also contain thiamine, which is converted into serotonin in the human body. So, if you're feeling down, eat a tomato, and your mood will improve. Tomatoes consist of 93 to 95% water, thus contributing to proper hydration and moisturization of the body, which in turn helps our joints remain in working condition. Polyphenols in tomatoes reduce the risk of heart disease, vascular problems, and oncology. Vitamin C is an excellent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, accelerates wound healing, and helps the body absorb insulin and glucose, making tomatoes beneficial for diabetes. Harm and contraindications of tomatoes. Tomatoes may contain solanine, a toxin capable of causing stomach diseases, headaches, nausea, and vomiting. Solanine can also seriously harm joints as it causes inflammation. A small amount of this toxin does not cause poisoning, but accumulating in the body it can cause the deposition of salts in the cartilage tissue of the joints. According to experts, solanine is destroyed by heat treatment, but not completely. It is fully destroyed only at a temperature of 250 degrees. Solanine is contained in the green parts of tomatoes, stems, and leaves, which is why there is more of it in green tomatoes than in ripe ones. So it is better to choose ripe fruits. It is recommended to minimize or even completely exclude tomatoes from the menu for people suffering from kidney diseases, as well as for such gastrointestinal diseases as gout, ulcer, gastritis with increased acidity of the stomach, and gastritis with reduced stomach acidity. Tomatoes, on the contrary, are recommended. People with allergies should consume tomatoes with caution, as they contain histamine. Red tomatoes can be particularly dangerous because they contain a large amount of allergens. Allergies can manifest as skin rashes and swelling. With hypertension and heart rhythm disorders, canned tomatoes should be excluded from the menu. Tomatoes go well with greens, cheese, and other vegetables. It is better not to eat tomatoes at night, as falling asleep may be difficult due to the substance that activates brain function. Now you know about the beneficial properties of tomatoes. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.